Refer to Section 4 of the construction guide for all measurements shown here. In this video, we are going to mount the left and right side lower plates to the left and right side rails of our Murphy bed. Refer to the stamped left and right on each lower plate to help you identify which one is the left side and right side. Start by laying the side rails on the working surface. Double check to make sure you have the proper side of the side rails facing up. Placing a scrap piece of wood under the side rails will prevent damage to the working surface while drilling. Remember, the left and right side rails are mirror images of each other. This is why labeling all the lumber parts is a great way to avoid mistakes. Remember, you may choose to round the footer end of the side rails where the folding legs will go. Left side is shown here. See Section 5 for instructions on rounding the side rails. Repeat the same steps for the right side rail. Measure and mark the measurements as shown on page 10 of the construction guide. You can also use a carpenter square to assist in measuring and marking. Double check all measurements to make sure they are correct before drilling. Now, using a 3/4 inch spade drill bit or Forstner bit, drill in the center of the mark on the side rail. Drill all the way through the side rail. Insert the round tube on the left lower plate into the 3/4 inch hole on the side rail. Make sure the orientation of the lower plate is correct. The top edge of the lower plate should be parallel and flush with the finished top of the side rail. Use 4 3/4 inch long wood screws included in the hardware kit and drive them in the 4 holes, as shown here. This will secure the plate to the side rails and also keep it from possibly moving on the side rail during the next step. Using a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill all the way through the 3 holes on the lower plate, all the way through the side rail as shown here. Now insert 3 cap nuts, included with the hardware kit, into the 1/4 inch holes on the side rails on the opposite side of the plate. Insert 3 machine screws into the 3 holes in the lower plate, and drive them into the cap nuts to secure the plate to the side rail. Use an Allen key to help tighten the cap nuts while driving the machine screws. All 3 machine screws should be tight on the cap nuts. The 2 lower plates are now mounted and ready for the folding legs.